Well guys, it's 2023 and I'm super excited with how the progress of the channel has been going. 2022 was a great year. We got a bunch of new subscribers, put out a bunch of content. I encourage you to check out all of our previous videos. So to kick off 2023, I'm gonna do a 2,500 subscriber giveaway. As soon as I hit 2,500 subscribers, I'm giving away a bunch of stuff.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here and explain the rules real quick before we get any further. There's no purchase necessary. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. The comment should be whether or not you want a recovery rope from Spartan Ropes or a snatch block from Factor 55. Snatch block includes the synthetic soft shackle. So that's all you got to do to get entered into this giveaway. If you want to purchase anything off my website, I'm doing a website-wide, order-wide, 20% off, automatically applied, mechanicaladventures.com. Go check that out. I will be giving away a swag pack in this video, in this giveaway, at the end for the third place sort of drawing. So that's all I got. Let's get back to the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe in order to get entered for this giveaway.
One of the things that I'm able to give away because of my new partnership with Auxbeam is a set of these pod lights. They're newer LED driving pod lights that I'm gonna be installing on my rig right now. I bought some ditch light brackets from CBI and I'm gonna get these puppies installed. They sent me 2 sets, one for me and one for you guys, and I'm super excited to be able to share that with you. I'm happy to have them on board so we can do stuff like this. These lights are super cool. Let's get them on the truck and I'll show you all about them.
Well, right away I made a mistake and thought that the ditch lights mounted to the hood, but that is not true. So eventually I figured it out and I started taking off the fender where the bracket bolts underneath. So, inside the box, you got an awesome reflective sticker, which I think is pretty cool. Their standard wiring harness, and it's a hardware pack. This one actually comes with its own controller, its own mode switch, which is pretty cool. And if you don't have the switch panel, it works out pretty well. First thing I like to do is mock it up and then cut the hardware to length for a real clean install. These are pretty universal kits, but I like to make them fit my truck best as possible. Now, since I had already installed the Auxbeam switch panel, it was just a matter of connecting the positive and negative to the terminals provided, slapping the cover back on, and look at this result. Absolutely beautiful. Like I mentioned earlier, these pod lights actually come with their own controller, mode switch and on-off switch, which means that all of these functions that you're seeing me go cycle through here are available with just the pod lights themselves. They'll be available in the giveaway. You don't need an actual switch panel to get these cool strobe functions. Alright boys, so the choice is between either Factor 55 soft shackle and snatch block combo setup here, which is super cool. Working load limit 22,000 pounds. This thing's beefy.
work for any Tacoma, Jeep, really. It's a nice tool to have when your winch has a synthetic line. These little rubber eyelets maintain the synthetic winch rope really nicely. So the choice is either that, how do I get out of this? There we go. Or the Spartan recovery rope. This is a kinetic rope, and this is also super cool. It's got 30% stretch. This is good for snow or sand or mud. These things are 30 foot by 1 inch diameter, breaking straight 33,000 pounds, and it works good for just about everything on the trail. So your choice is either a Spartan recovery rope or a Factor 55 snatch block soft shackle combo. There's going to be 3 different winners of 3 different products in this giveaway from the comment section of this video. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section down below, let me know which you would rather, either Factor 55 or Spartan rope. So these are the pod lights that are going to go to contestant number 2. And contestant number 3 is going to get a merch bundle off of mechanicaladventures.com. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment which you would rather, Factor 55 or Spartan recovery rope. And that's all you got to do to get entered on the giveaway. Like I said, 20% off your entire order at mechanicaladventures.com. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Tell your friends about us. Let's make it big this year. All right. Peace.